Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Ghoad token. Name of the token is Ghoad, Ghoad, and that is also the ticker symbol. Now this Ghoadcoin is a meme coin on the KRC20 blockchain, the Kaspa blockchain. And it was just announced that this token will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, October 28th, on a very big central exchange. And we're going to go over the information on the Ghoadcoin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is getting a big central exchange listing starting tomorrow. It says an AI meme coin and the first KRC20 token to list on Mexc will be listed tomorrow, October 28th at 11 a.m. UTC time. So if you're looking to get the Ghoad token, the Ghoadcoin, and you don't have an Mexc global account, I do have an Mexc global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search GHOAD, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So they do have some socials, so I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual, at Ghoadcoin. It says Ghoad, the Kaspa toad, a whimsical and looks like toad fusion, hopping on the block DAG, KRC20, and then they have a link to the Kspr bot, or Kaspa bot, if you want to get the token that way. They have 11,800 Twitter followers. They just joined in May 2024. 1,111 posts, very active on the socials here, blue verified checkmark. And then they have a full link tree, basically, that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. On the link tree, you're going to find the web page. You're going to find a Telegram, Twitter, TikTok, contact email, and a Discord group that you could join. Their Telegram is just at Ghoad, and they have 742 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining, and that's going to be another great place, along with the Twitter, to see updates regarding this project here. So what is this project all about? It says Ghoad is a revolutionary token on the Kaspa network, combining the whimsical essence of a ghost and a toad to leverage the unique capabilities of block DAG technology. The name Ghoad is derived from the creative fusion of Ghost, paying homage to the groundbreaking Ghost DAG protocol by Jonathan Sompolinsky, the founder of Kaspa, a toad reflecting the distinctive turquoise hue symbolizing the Kaspa ecosystem. Ghoad's charming character, born from the digital whispers of Grok and brought to life by the artistic prowess of Midjourney, is a testament to the power of AI in shaping the future of meme coins. The thoughtfully crafted white paper, guided by Grok's ingenuity, outlines the optimal tokenomics with a supply of 4 billion tokens, ensuring enhanced user-friendliness and long-term sustainability. More than just a token, Ghoad is a celebration of community, creativity, and the boundless potential of AI-driven innovation. It aims to redefine the boundaries of what's possible on the Kaspa network, offering a unique and engaging digital asset that serves both as a valuable investment and as a symbol of a vibrant, evolving cryptocurrency market. So in a rapidly evolving cryptocurrency market, Ghoad stands out by offering a unique and engaging token that combines fun with advanced tech features. Born from the innovative spirit of Kaspa, Ghoad embodies the playful fusion of Ghost and Toad. Now it says here their vision. Ghoad's vision is to create a digital asset that's not only a valuable investment, but also engages with the community through its unique character and story. By leveraging the Kaspa block DAG tech, Ghoad aims to provide a secure, scalable, and user-friendly experience for all participants. Ghoad celebrates the boundless potential of AI innovation, fostering a vibrant community that redefines the possibilities within the crypto landscape. So the tokenomics, it says here, the tech obviously is Kaspa's block DAG. It says the tech offers superior scalability, security compared to traditional blockchain structures. The advantages is faster transaction times, reduced fees, and increased network security. So KRC20 token, total supply 4 billion tokens, 18 decimal places on this token. Now distribution here, it says 30% of the tokens go to public mint, 20% OTC, 30% goes to central exchange listings like Mexc Global, 5% goes to MP, 5% goes to DEX, and 10% goes to the Ghoad funding wallet. Some of the key features, it says no taxes on transactions, ensures zero tax on transactions to promote ease of use and accessibility. Based on inscriptions, Ghoad will be implemented using inscriptions on the Kaspa network instead of traditional smart contracts, and this approach leverages the inherent security and scalability of the block DAG architecture. The control over Ghoad inscriptions will be renounced to ensure decentralization and community trust, and this means no single entity will have control over the token, aligning with the principles of community-driven projects. And it's going to be a community-driven project with governance features allowing holders to participate and vote on important decisions. So they have the public mint details on their white paper that you could check out with the initial supply, distribution, and valuation. A little bit of formulas and stuff there. So the use cases, I mean, low fees, fast confirmation, events and contests, collaborations. And yeah, they're going to be doing some marketing. Now they're going to come out with a Ghoad Finance, it says, that's ongoing right now. That's coming up next. Strategic partnerships and collaborations, continuous growth, innovation with new technologies, all sorts of cool stuff. Check out this token. Make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one where this token will be listed tomorrow. There is a Kickstarter event also going on today on Mexc Global, so check that out. Let me know in the comments what do you guys think about this token. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.